Hello everyone. Today I am going to start very important topic of quantitative aptitude, that is the square root and cube. This is the very important topic and we have already completed that squaring of number, cubing of number. Now it is the square root and cube. So here the first type is what? Let us see. See the type number one. So type number one is what? Find a square root of the following by factor method, division method and tricky method, that is called GAYAS method. So we will understood here all the three method of finding a square root of any number. If any number is given, we can find a square root of that number by three method. First is what? Factor method. Second is what? Division method. And third is what? Tricky method or GAYAS method. So every three method is very important because there are a type of questions which are solved only by the factor method. Some question only can be solved by the division method, and some question depends upon you can solve by any method. So for that type of question we will use what? Tricky method or GAYAS method. So let us see first all the three types of method. Now after that we will solve the question by the which type of questions are solved only by the factor method, which type of question can solve only by the division method, and which type of question can be solved by the tricky method. So by the tricky method we can solve every type of the questions. Okay, so let us see what is this factor method. So first I am going to explain what is the factor method. So first question is what here, that is 144. We want to find the square root of that number by the factor method. So everyone know this method because factor method is what? We are finding the factor of this number 144. So 144 is what? That like 2 7 are 14, 2. Here what? That is what? 36. Here what? 18. And again 2 9 are 18, and this is what? 3 3s are 9. So everyone know 12 into 12, 144. We know the answer 12. But here I am just explaining the method. How can we make factor of the large number? So here 144, a small number, we know 12 square. When the large number is given, then how can we make factor by this method? Now you write this here. 2 how many times? 4 times. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, 3 and 3. Now a square root means what? Just pair of two. This is the one pair, this is the second pair, and this is the third pair. So first pair will give you what? 1. So 2 into 2, 2 times it will give 1 times 2. Here 2 times 2 it will give 1 times 2. Here 2 times 3 it will give 1 times. So our answer is what? 12. 12 is our correct answer. This is a small number. We can find directly also 12 square 140. But we are explaining the method how can we solve, because this method will be used for some particular question. That question can be solved only by factor method. We can't solve that question by division method. We can't solve that question by the tricky method. That's why we are explaining the rule, basic rule for finding a square root by the factor method. So everyone know this rule, you can find the answer. So one more question I am finding by this method. Let us see. So one more question I am taking by this method, that is the factor method. So let us see how can we solve this question again. So just we are taking the another number, the large number I am taking. This number, suppose we are taking 6 number. So that is 6 number is what? 1, 8, 2, 2 and 5. We want to find a square root of number. Just make a factor of this number 1, 8, 2, 5. So same factor here 5, so that number is divisible by 5. So we are going for 5, 5 3 are 15, here 3, so 32, 5 6 are 32, 22, 5 4 are 20 and 5 5 are 25. Again you see here 5 7 are 35, here 1 carry, so 14, 5 2 are 10, 5 9. Now it is what? 7 2 9. So now we can do like this 3, 3 2 are 6, 3 4 are 12, 3 3 are 9. Again it is 3 8 are 24 and 3 1 are. If you know 9, you can use direct 9 9 are 81. So now we will write here 5 multiply 5. again 3 multiply 3, and then 9 multiply 9. And now the same rule here, 2 times, here 2 times, here 2 times. So we can write 2 times 5, it will give only 1 5. 2 times 3, it will give only 1 3. 2 times 9, it will 1 9. So now you can multiply 5 3 are 15, 15 9. So I already told you the lot of technique to multiply. You can multiply, but that a lot of technique you have. 15 into 9. You can direct multiply 15 into 9. 9 5 are 45. 9 1 are 9 4, 13 also. So 135. You can use your technique what I told earlier class, 15 into 9. So what I told, 15 into 9, just make 1 0 and then subtract your original number. That is what, 15. So what you are getting, 10 minus 5, 4 minus 1 3. So I already explained the technique. If any number you are multiplying by 9, you can use that technique. So here 5 into 3, 15. 15 into 9. A small number you can multiply directly. 15 9 is 135. If you want your logic to revise, how can we do the large number? So 15 into 9 means we are multiplying by 9. Forget 9. Just use 1 0 in front of 15. 15 0 and subtract original number 15. You will get your right answer. So in this way we can find any number as square root by factor method. Here I have written every number which is a perfect square. That means they have a factor in pair. But sometimes suppose the number have not all factors in a pair, then what we will do? One more example I am writing here. Let us see. That means every factor have no pair, then what we will do? Just like we are taking a simple example, suppose it is given what? A square root of, you are finding a small number I am taking, just like 27. So everyone know factor of this number, 3 into 3 into 3, right? So we are making a square root, so we have to make a pair. That is one pair and this number have no pair. So this pair will give 1 3 and this have no pair, so it will remain in root only. So our answer is what? 3 roots. In this way, the number which is not a perfect square, we can find our square root by this method also. Okay. So now let us see the next method. Next method is what? That is division method. So what is this division method? Because so many questions comes, we have to find by the division method also only. So just like here I am telling, first number we are taking 144 by the division method. So in division method, simple technique is what? First you make a pair from right side. So this is the one pair, and after that if this is a pair or not pair, not a problem. Here only one, so we are taking one, you write here 1 1 ja 1. You take that number which you multiply and it will give that number 1 or slightly less, not more. So 1 into 1, so 1, right here 1, right here 1. Now add this number, you are getting 2, just cancel this number, subtraction, that is cancel. Now other pair you have to take 44. Now you check what number we take here, so that that number will give you either 44 or less than 44, not more. So we are checking, if we are going for 1, that means what? 1, that means we are writing here 1 and multiplying 1, and we are checking 21 into 1, 21 only, it is less. So it is not correct, we have to check other number. So now we are checking other number. So when we are taking what? 2. So suppose we are taking 2, so multiply 2. So 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 2. Yes, we got our 44. So just we are writing here like 22. So 2, 2 you write. Right here 2 also, just multiply, and here you write 2. Now what we are doing here, this is 4, this is 2, this cancel, and your answer is what? 12. This is called division method. So we are finding the other number also, just like we have done this question. See, 1 8 double 2 and 5. We are finding a square root of this number by the division method. So first you make pair from right side. This is the one pair. This is the second pair, and now it is single number 1. No problem. So again it is 1. So we are taking with 1. So 1 into 1, and now it is what? The right one. So this is 2. This is cancel out. You take the other number 18. Now check in mind which number. So now I am checking mine only. This is 1. So 21 into 1, 21. Here 2, 22 into 2, 44. If we are taking 3, 3 3 are 9, 3 2 are 6, 69. If we are taking 4, 4 4 are 16, and 4 2 are 8 and 9. It is the more than. So we are not taking more than 82. Either 82, either less. So dot 4 giving the more, so you take less number 3. So here 3 and again here 3. 3 3 are 9, 3 2 is. Now what we are doing? Just add this number 2 and 12 minus 9 3, 7 minus 6 1. Other pair is what? 2 5. So right here 2 5. Now you again same process. You check what number we put here and multiplying. It will give either 1325 or slightly less. But see the last number and the number is, if suppose perfect square, it will be total 1325. So first to check by 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 6 are 30, 32. 5 2 are 10. Yes, we got our answer. So just take here 5. Just take here 5. Take here 5. And now 5 5s are 25. 5 6 are 30, 32. 5 2 are 10 and 3 30. So this is cancel. This is cancel. This is cancel. This is 10 7. My answer is only this 135 is our correct answer. In this way, we can find every question by the division method. Sometimes the number which is not a perfect square, so we will take up to the 3 decimal point. Okay. Let us see the one. Just like everyone know, root 3 value is what? 1.732. Everyone know. Root 2 value is what? 1.414. So everyone know this value, that is root 2 is what? 1.41. Just checking how. Let us see division method. So this is the division method. Just put here a point and you after decimal you can put any number of 0, no problem. We are making here 3 pair. Now you see 2. So after decimal you go right side pair and before decimal you go left side pair. It is a single number 2. So we are checking 1 into 1, 2 into 2, 4. So we go with 1. It is what? 1. It is what? 1. So now we are taking what? 2 and it is 1. Now you take pair. So that is what? Double 0. So here we have to take. Now you check the same rule. What number we put here and multiply so that it give either 100 or less than 100. So when we are taking here 4, so 4 4 is 16, 4 2 is 96. You know if you take 5, 5 5s are 25, 125, more than 100. So don't go for more, go for either 100 or less. So we are going for 4. It is 4, it is 4, it is 4. So now it is what? 96. So same thing again. This is 4, 4. Add this number. Here subtract this number. 10 minus 6 is what? 4. And that cancel. Again other pair is what? 4. Now again same rule here 28. Just check what number we take so that it give either 400 or slightly less. We are taking 1 281 multiply 1 281. When we are taking 2, so 2 2 is 4, 2 8 is 16, 500 is more. So we are taking with 1 on. So we are getting here 1. So it is 182. So again you are seeing here adding this number you are getting 282. Now here subtracting 10 minus 1 9, 9 minus 8 1, 3 minus 2 1. Now again we can write 20. Now you check what number we check. A we are putting here 4. So 4 4 is 16, 4 2 is 8 9, 4 8 is 32, 4 2 is 8 3 11. Slightly less. When you are going for 5, it is given what? 5 5 is 25, 5 2 is 10 to 12, 5 8 is 40 41, 5 2 is 10 40. It is more. So don't go more come. So we got our answer here. So no need to write. We got our answer 1.41. In this way, we can find any numbers. Maybe the number is perfect square, maybe the number is not perfect square. If your answer is given in decimal, just to apply the technique for division only. Okay. Now we understood the factor method and the division method. Now my target was initially what, because these two method everyone know. My target was that the tricky method or guess method. Let us see what is this tricky method or guess method to find a square root of the any number. Just like here your number is given 144. You want to find the square root of that number. So technique is what? Just to check. First you every time you check last two digits from right. And now you check what is the unit. Unit digit is 4. Now check in mind which digit a square can give you 4. So everyone know 2 square can give 4 and 8 square 68 can give you. Check in mind every digit you have already. I tell you in the previous class, total number of digits match is what? 0 to 9, 10. So from the digit you check in mind which digit square can give 4. But now your answer may be unit digit may be 2 and unit digit. So in the option, if there is a given unit digit 2 only, that your answer. If unit digit is given 8, only one option, that your answer. But if it is given none of these, then we will find direct answer. So now remaining number is 1. Now you check this remaining number is which number is square. So everyone know 1 square 1. So right here 1, right here. This is the perfect square. The smaller is your answer. The smaller is what? 12. So our right answer is what? 12. In the same way, I am solving this question second. 1024. We want to find a square root of this number by the tricky method. So what is this method? First you make pair of these two number from right and now check what is unit. Unit is 4. So either unit will be 2, either unit will be. So my answer will be only that option which have either unit digit 2, either 8. Now remaining number is 10. So everyone know 3 square 9, 4 square 16. So don't go more, come down. So 3 square 9. So 3 right here, 3 right. Suppose anytime both option given in the option, right? So what is my right answer? So technique is what here? 3 square 9 and 4 square 16 and my number is what? 10. So just compare your number near to which number? If your number near to a smaller number, your answer will be a smaller. If your number is given near to the larger number, your answer will be larger. So here your number near to 9, that is a smaller number. Your answer is what? 32. So you can cross check also because I have already explained a lot of technique for finding the square. To check that a square of this 32 is 1024. If yes, then the answer is correct. If no, that means your answer is not correct. So just check the square. Everyone know technique 2 square 4. Now every time we are multiplying 2. 2 into first term into 6. 2 into 2 4. 4 into 3 12. Carry is what? 1. Now 3 square 9 and 1 10. Yes, our answer is correct. In this way, we can find any type of the question. Let us see. I am solving the third question also. This is the third question. Third question is what? 3, 8, 4, 4. We want a square root of this number by a GAYAS method. What is GAYAS method? Here unit is 4. So my number is either 2, either 8. So in the option, if the only one option is given whose unit is 2, none of the not given, that your answer. Suppose only one option is given that unit is 8, none of these not given, that option is answer whose unit is 8. But suppose none of these given or both option given unit to unit, then we will find direct our final answer. So remaining number is what? 30. You check it. 6 square 36, 7 square 49. So 49 is more. So just take the smaller numbers. We are taking what? 6. Now check it. Just like here we have compared. You can check in mind only. But here again I am writing here for understanding. 6 square 36. 7 square 49. My number is what? 30. So now you compare your number. This is the mind calculation. I am writing here for understanding only. You can do in mind. So 38 near to what? 36. So 36 is what? A smaller number. So again, your smaller number is what? 62. So your right answer is what? 62, correct answer. You can cross check. Just square this number and check this is right or not. So 2 square 4. To know the technique, every time 2 multiply first term into second. So 2 into 2 4. 4 into 6 24. Carry 2. 6 square 36 and 2 30. Yes, our answer is correct. So right answer we got. Right answer is what? 62. Let us see the next question I am solving again from the same logic, that is the GAYAS method. How can we find our answer very easily? So here fourth number is what? 9025. We want a square root of this number by a technique method, GAYAS method. So rule is what? First to make a pair of this number 25. Unit is 5. So you know 0 to 9 only single digit 5 which a square can give you 25. So that answer will be only that option whose unit digit is 5. If in the option there is no any number whose unit is 5, that means your answer is none of. Okay, and if only one option is given whose unit is 5, that is your answer. But suppose every option have unit digit 5, then we will get our correct answer. So correct answer is what? Check here 90. So everyone know 9 square is what? 81. 10 square is 100. 100 is more than 90. So don't go more, come down. So that is what? 9. Your answer is what? 95 is your correct answer. In this way, you can find every question. Again, I am showing you the next question also. Let us see. Here, the next question is what? 104 and 0. We want a square root of this number. So, technique is what? Make a pair from the last two digits and now check what is the unit. 4. So, only 2 or 8 can be 4. Now, remaining is what? 100. Now you check which square can give you what? 100. So, or slightly less. So, you know 10 square is what? 100. 11 square is what? 1 to 1. So, 1 to 1 is more. So, we will take less number 10. Right? Now you know 11 square 121 and 10 square 100. This 100 for near 200 is smaller one. So your answer is what? A smaller one. This is the correct answer. Now you know well already I have explained lot of technique for squaring. You can go for cross checking also. Cross checking what I told so many method I have explained for squaring. We are here multiplying 100 to 200. I have explained lot of technique. One technique was what? It is more than base is 100. See 2 more, so plus 2. It is 2 more, so this is what? Plus 2. So when you go for crossing, 102 plus 2 is what? 104. And 102 plus 2 is what? 100. So our both are 104 and base is what? 100. So 104 into 100 means what? 104 doubles. Now you know 2 to ja 4. 2 into 2, 4. Just add 4. So what you are getting? 4041. So our product of 100 to 102 is what? 1040. Yes, correct one. That means we got 102 square will be this. So square root of this number is what? 102. This is our right answer. So in this way, we can find every question in a very easy way, and we can find answer by this tricky method or guess method. Let us see the next one more question I have here. 1, 8, 2, 2, 5. You want to find the square root of this number by a tricky method or guess method. So what is the tricky method? Just make a pair of 2, 5. So this is what? 2, 5. So 5. So everyone know 5 square only can give 5. Now this is what? 182. Now check which square can give you 182. So everyone know 13 square 169 and 14 square is 196. So everyone know I already told you the technique. 13 square everyone know that means 3 square 9, 2 into 3 6 into 1 6 and here what 1. And everyone know 14 square is 196. So how? So I told you the technique 4 square 16 carry 1. 2 into 4 8 into 1 8 and carry 1 so 9 1 is 196. My number is what? 182. So 182 is near to which number? Now you check. So here 182 near to no any near because here only we have 5, only single digit. So only direct you can write here what? 135 because 14 square 196 more we are taking 13 here single number no need to compare because here we have simple number only single number so no need to compare. Your answer is 135 and you can check here 169. So we are taking 13 so 135 is your right answer. So when unit is 5 no need to compare the number. Just check 13 square 169 14 square 196 will not take more so come down 30 your answer is what 135 is your right answer. In the same way we can find every question in a proper way. So now you can solve this 2 point by the technique this number and this number for you. Thank you.